Hello, welcome. Sweet Light here, doing an unboxing video of the Selfie Show stick. It's called Selfie Show. There we go. It's in there. So this is what the box looks like. I bought this off of Amazon. It came with this little paper insert. Gives you a little bit of directions there. You got an extra battery here. You got this little charging cable. And then you have the selfie stick. And with this, you can open this up. There's a little adjuster knob right here. You can turn this. It has some buttons on here to turn these lights on. So you hold the button in for a few seconds and they will come on. Tap them again, they change color. One light's up top, one's at bottom, so I'm just going to hold it like this just to demonstrate that the lights change intensity. Alright? Actually, you know what? Let me leave that on like that. Oh, look, and if I turn it off and turn it back on, it goes back to the last preset I had on there. So that's great. Just figured that out. So then you're going to pull the stick up to expand it. And then the bottom, you're going to open it, pull out the tripod, push it down. There's a little remote here. I'm just going to push this, pop this out like that. You just push it up. Just going to sit this right here. Show you the little remote. There's two buttons. So the first top button here is to turn on and off by switching, and then a little light come on. That's how you're going to connect it to the Bluetooth as well, which gives you the directions are in here. It's very easy, very short. It's like 3 or 4 words on that sentence on the directions. So, and then the other button here is to take pictures and record with your camera phone. So you take your phone, right? And you see my phone has this big old case. I got this thing hanging from it, this key ring and all that, right? But I'm gonna put it on there. Before I do that, let me show you. So inside here, these open up, right? And then one of these ends you pull this in. So it changes for the size. That's how far it stretches. Let me put this into here. And also, so I can show you, this comes off. So you have your little light that is detachable. Now I'm going to turn my phone on. I'm going to give a demonstration of how the remote works. Just find my camera. Just going to bring this over here. I can tilt this. We're looking at the computer screen here. Oop. And then for me to take a photo, just gonna move it back here and just get lock that like that. Stand that up like that. That way I got me in it. I'm gonna take a picture of myself, not my back. Where did I put the remote? Okay. And then I can take a photo of myself by pushing the remote, and I can switch to video, but you have to switch to it before, and the remote only turns things on and off. So then I can record myself, and then I can push it again and it stops. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can order this on Amazon. I'm going to share the link in the description below for you to order through my Amazon associate affiliated link. But it's a great buy. So, and it's portable, you know. It's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Order.